Hello friends, let us now learn about the nutritional requirements that are during the pregnancy and nutritional requirements of many people of different types of people. So daily recommended energy intake. This is according to 2011 criteria. In infancy of 0 to 6 months of age, 92 kilocalories per kg per day, whereas 6 to 12 months infant should requires 80 kilocalories per kg per day. Adult reference male, in adult reference male, that is weight 60 kgs, if he is doing sedentary work, then he requires 2320 kilocalories. For moderate work, 2730 kilocalories, and for heavy work 3490 kilocalories. Anyways, for adult reference female, it is 55 kgs. So first we will see in sedentary worker male 2300 kilocalories, sedentary worker female 1900 kilocalories, moderate worker male 2730 kilocalories, moderate worker female it is 2230 kilocalories, whereas heavy worker male it is 2850 kilocalories. You will have to remember it, but at least remember that it is sedentary is around 2300, moderate is around 2700, and heavy is around 2800. In females we will have to do in moderate it is 2230. So if you add 300 kilocalories for 1900, you get moderate, that is 2230, and if you add 600 to this 2230, we get 2850, which is for heavy worker. So these are the values for adult reference male and adult reference female required nutritional requirement. And in pregnancy we have to give more than 350 kilocalories additional when compared to normal values. See, if an adult female who is moderately working should be given 2230 kilocalories, and if she is pregnant, you should add 350 kilocalories to this 2230 kilocalories. And normal protein requirement for adult male and female is around 55 gram per day, but during pregnancy the required intake is around 23 gram per day. So for lactation, we require in lactation for 0 to 6 first 6 months of lactation, we should give additional 600 kilocalories per day, and proteins we should give 19 gram per day of proteins. Then for 6 to 12 months we should give additional 520 kilocalories per day, and we should give 13 grams of proteins per day. So these are required daily recommended allowance for energy intake. Then we have to even learn some nutrients in pregnancy and lactation. Calcium, in pregnancy we should give 1200 milligrams per day of calcium should be taken in pregnancy and lactation. Iron, one should take 35 milligrams per day of iron should be taken in pregnancy, and 21 milligrams per day of iron should be taken during lactation. Vitamin A, 800 micrograms per day of vitamin A is taken in pregnancy, and 950 microgram per day of vitamin A is taken in lactation. So these are the different nutritional requirements during pregnancy. Then if you see, after this we will have to learn about the cleans for safe delivery. The cleans for safe delivery include, we have different cleans during safe delivery which were put forward to eliminate the neonatal tetanus. These cleans were put forward to eliminate neonatal tetanus. So first 5 cleans to eliminate neonatal tetanus include: 1. We have clean delivery surface. First we have clean delivery surface. This clean delivery surface, then we have clean hands of birth attendants, and then we have clean cord cut, the cord cut with blade or instrument. Then we have clean cord tie. Then we have clean cord stump. So we have 5 cleans, which are clean delivery surface, clean hands of birth attendants, clean cord cut, clean cord tie, and clean cord stump. So how are we going to get these? So procedure for obtaining these clean: first, clean delivery surface, we use a clean plastic sheet for delivery. Clean hands, hands are always cleaned with soap and clean water before we start delivery. Then clean cord cut is for cutting the cord, we use a new razor blade is used. A new razor blade is used for clean cord cut. Clean cord tie, we use a clean piece of thread is used for clean cord tie. And in clean cord stump, nothing to be applied to the cord. Nothing to be applied to the cord for in clean cord stump. So along with these 5 cleans, 3 cleans are also added, like clean water for hand washing. Along with these, we have 3 cleans. The 3 cleans include these 3. First 3, see, we have mainly 5 cleans. In all these 5 cleans, 3 cleans are taken as one group and they are called as 3 cleans. 3 cleans include clean delivery surface, clean hands, clean cord cut. So overall 5 cleans. 5 cleans are clean delivery surface, clean hands, clean cord cut, clean cord tie, and clean cord stump. Among all these 5, 3 cleans are taken as separate group. Those 3 cleans are these 3, which are 3 clean delivery surface, clean hands, and clean cord cut. Then to these 5 cleans, 2 cleans are added, that is clean water and clean towels for hand washing. These were added to these 5 cleans and this will result in 7 cleans. So for cleans for delivery, safe delivery, we have 7 cleans overall, that is clean delivery surface, clean hands, clean cord cut, clean cord tie, clean cord stump, clean water, clean towel for hand washing. Then iron and folic acid tablets. Iron and folic acid tablets, 100 milligrams of elemental iron is given along with 500 micrograms of folic acid for 100 days minimum in pregnancy. So we generally give 1 tablet per day in 4th, 5th, 6th months of period of gestation. In 4th, 5th, 6th months we give at least 1 tablet per day. So that is in pregnancy. In pregnancy we give 100 milligrams of elemental iron and 500 micrograms of folic acid are given for 100 days minimum in pregnancy. Then we have pediatric tablets of iron and folic acid. Pediatrics, we give only 20 milligrams of elemental iron with 100 micrograms of folic acid are given for 100 days minimum every year till 5 years of age. So we give 20 milligrams of elemental iron along with 100 micrograms of folic acid are given for 100 days minimum every year till 5 years of age. Till 5 years of age. That is pediatric tablet of iron and folic acid. Now this iron and folic acid is divided based on the ages, that is in children less than 5 years of age. First, children less than 5 years, that is not 2. 5 years of age, we give 20 milligrams of elemental iron and 100 micrograms of folic acid is given for bi-weekly in a 50 ml bottle. So 20 milligrams of elemental iron, 100 micrograms of folic acid are given bi-weekly in a 50 ml bottle for children less than 5 years. For children between 5 to 9 years, we give 45 milligrams of elemental iron, 400 micrograms of folic acid weekly in has a pink colored tablet. For 10 to 19 years adolescents, we give 60 milligrams of elemental iron and 500 micrograms of folic acid weekly has blue tablet. Then 20 to 49 years females, that is reproductive age females, we give 60 milligrams of elemental iron, 500 micrograms of folic acid are given weekly as red tablet. For lactating or pregnant females, we give 60 milligrams of elemental iron and 500 micrograms of folic acid is given daily as red tablet in 4th, 5th and 6th months of period of gestation. So these are about iron and folic acid tablets. Then in the next class we will learn about birth weight. So thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.